No. What? Stop! I don't want to smell that.
You gotta sneeze. That
made me cough.
My
Crazy boy. You good now?
Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay. What's this?
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the D.Chanel show.
Come on, you doing too much playing.
It's pineapple cucumber.
What?
Pineapple cucumber salad.
What's
up,
up,
YouTube?
Why you so tense? Alright, y'all, so we back with another banger, another video. You know what I'm saying? Today we finna be doing the pineapple cucumber salad. Oh,
Happy Sunday, people. Happy Sunday.
Surprise Sunday.
Nigga, you was not wearing that. You about to embarrass me. Take that shit off.
Come on, bro. Snoop Dogg do it all the time.
You ain't Snoop, okay? Snoop got a name. You just do with nothing right now. You need something to me though. What's up, YouTube?
What we gotta do first?
Mark, start over.
What we gotta do first?
Start over.
No, what we gotta do first?
Dude.
Alright, so we
I'm gonna walk off set. Go on.
So we gotta mix.
Mark one.
We mix together.
It's literally you put everything into the damn bowl.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh, well, y'all the video on myself. The video over where it started. That's it. Alright, well, let's just get the mixing and whipping then.
Stop.
Whipping nay. Come on.
Oh my goodness. Alright, guys, so we're just gonna go. Where are you going?
You already said it.
Oh.
Alright, you guys what?
We're just gonna go ahead and just put everything to the bowl and mix it and then put it in the fridge for about an hour.
Let's get it. Right term. Vamonos. Vietnamese.
Just stop.
No.
Just stop. You don't know what you said, but stop. Alright, I think that is it, honey.
Yeah, this is gonna be like a 2-minute video. We're gonna have to stretch it with the B-rolls.
Alright, you guys. Plate them. Bowl them.
You can whip that up for me, a little small bowl, but then the big one, it's gotta be dressed up now. Just give me a small bowl over here. Over here.
Then you want your bowl, don't you?
Should I taste it too?
It wasn't meant. Look here. There you go. You got one little pineapple. See? Cucumbers love you. I told you that earlier. Y'all be hitting my ass.
Come on. Right there. Come on.
What are you saying? What am I doing right
The
now?
video.
Who you yelling at?
Come on.
Yell at me one more time. Watch this sport. End up right here.
Come on.
Oh, it's a reflection of this.
Yes, come on, bro.
Ow.
Don't hit me. Dude, stop.
What did
Stop
you
before you
do?
get me.
What did you
Stop, bro.
What did you do?
Stop. Dude, stop. I'm not gonna play with you.
Stop.
I'm not gonna play with you, bro. Move. You doing too much.
What? Why? Stop.
Hey.
I'm tired. Woo. My breath now. That's my workout for today. Thank you.
Come on, bro.
You would get double taps after I get one.
That's you.
After I get one.
Bro, stop.
I do shit.
We're back up. We're back up.
What?
It's not a reflection from running
It ain't
up
a reflection.
Why you putting your... Come on, bro. Let's get this done. Come on, man, for real. You just do too much playing.
So this is the finished result. Welcome back, you guys. I didn't even say that.
Man, come on, bro.
Okay. So this is the finished result, the pineapple
Let's get right
cucumber
into it, man. I
salad.
ain't think he playing with you, man. With that
You
being
like
said,
playing
this
with
is
me.
the final view.
Fun of
It
you.
look good?
Yes.
It smell good?
Yes, I love pineapples and cucumbers.
So with that being said, man, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and jump down in that comment section. Let me know what's y'all thoughts about how it look. And what you think it'll taste like. Stop, bro. Dang. And we out, bro. Yeah, come on, man. You doing too much. It's not funny at all.
It is funny. You be playing with me. Oh, it ain't funny when it's on the other shoe.